Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Redmi don't cover the earphone area. For example, if you are also a Redmi user and you see the error like don't cover the earphone area after you lock your phone, which means if you turn it on again and if you press anything on your earphone or speaker area and you see this kind of error, which is as don't cover the earphone area, which I am going to show you. So how you can fix that error? For example, if you cover your earphone area or you press anything which covers your earphone or speaker area, then how you can fix that error? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply do not panic first of all. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply search for pocket mode. And if you search for pocket mode in settings, you have to find simply pocket mode, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you can easily find the option of pocket mode. And after that, if you click on pocket mode, then here you can simply turn this off. If you turn this off, then if you again lock your phone and turn it off again, and after that you place anything on your speaker or earphone area, then that kind of error will not be occur. That kind of error occurring is due to a pocket mode because it is an option available in Redmi devices that you can simply open the lock by some lock touch gestures when placed in a pocket, which means it can also be work in a pocket and it will be automatically turned off if you do not lock your phone. If you put it in a pocket, and it will be automatically turned off, which means your mobile will be automatically locked if you turn this feature on. Hope you have understand the problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.